Pariwut Piamkarunwong, and the question number 1 is why do double focusing mass spectrometers give narrower peaks than single focusing instruments? And the answer is each ion has different initial kinetic energy which make the resolution of single focusing instruments become limited. But double focusing mass spectrometers have electrostatic analyzer which can limit the range of initial kinetic energy of ions before accelerating into the magnetic sector analyzer. And this makes double focusing mass spectrometers give narrow peaks and higher resolution than single focusing instruments. And question number 2 is describe how the quadrupole can filter the molecule with different mass per charge ratios. Quadrupole is a set of 4 parallel metal cylindrical rods with a space in the middle. The rods are connected electrically to each other in opposite pairs. Each pair of rods are connected to variable DC voltage and radio frequency AC voltage. When ions with certain size, mass, and charge enter to the space in the middle of the rods, the ions will stay in stable path and pass through the quadrupole to the detector. If the ions with other different size, mass, and charge enter to the space, they will stay in a stable path which makes them hit the rods and disappear. This is the process that quadrupole filter the molecule with the different mass per charge ratios. And for question number 3, the question is draw a mass spectrum if one uses TOF as mass analyzer. There are two types of TOF mass spectrometer which are linear TOF and reflecton TOF. These two TOF provide different resolution and mass spectrum because ions of the same mass and charge may not have the same kinetic energy and therefore reach the detector in slightly different time, which make mass spectra of ions in linear TOF has low resolution, but in reflecton TOF it has reflecton which can compensating for energy and increasing path length. Reflecton can compensate energy because if ions with high kinetic energy hit the reflecton, they will penetrate deeper than ions with low kinetic energy, which will decrease the spread in the ion's flight time and improve resolution of TOF mass spectrometer.